Guys, nice to meet you.
Oh, hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Today morning we were having lots of fun with our mom gardening. We were digging all this dirt. No digging anymore. We had a bath afterwards. We were so dirty. Stop! Stop! I'm taking away your shovel. No, don't go. The shovel is lost. Okay? No, say something. Okay, so today we were gardening. It was fun, and we had it with our mom. Now has gone flying with my garden. What? And we were catching worms and digging a hole to find an ant colony and putting the worms in there. We eat it. Now, maybe. We did not know what we were doing. I think that those 4 worms are eaten now. They were supposed to be in this. Any work. See? What's the work? She didn't do any work. No work at all. Yeah. So,
Hello guys.
It was fun.
All this fun and
After